So I spent the past year and a half full-time entrepreneur. Coaching, consulting, these are the big areas that I wanted to focus on because those are the things that I'm passionate about. And as I was walking through this tunnel, I started thinking about something that I heard, a video from Elon Musk talking about starting a business is like walking into the abyss and eating glass. And damn, I gotta say, that's pretty much what my experience has been over the past year and a half. Sleepless nights, working 7 days a week, without fail, pushing yourself to the absolute limit, and it still not being enough. Getting sick, struggling, it's tough. And in the past 6 to 8 months, I've had a number of people reaching out to me, asking for guidance, expressing their desire to build their own business. They're so frustrated with all of the toxicity that occurs in corporate America. I'm just gonna go start my own business. I'm tired of my boss. I'm tired of this toxic culture. And if I'm being honest, those were a few of the reasons that I left the corporate world. And I knew that starting your own business was going to be difficult. Everybody talks about it. I spent years saving money to prepare myself to ease the transition. So everybody talks about how difficult and challenging it is. You plan, you prepare, you know this is going to push you. And then you get into it and realize it's so much more difficult than you could have possibly ever imagined. And for me, that's exactly why I did it. You see, all the transitions that I've gone through in life, stepping out of IT and into HR, and then safety and transportation and ESG and leadership development, every time I stepped into something new, I had to start over at the bottom. And what I learned is every time you start over at the bottom, you start learning and you get better and better and better. It is the journey that makes us better. And the people that accomplish the most in life, those are the ones that are not afraid to fail. They're not afraid to start over and start over because they know that each time they do, they learn and they get better. You also come to realize who the real ones are in your life. Because you think, I've got this massive network, all of these people enjoy hanging out with me and talking to me, and they're always asking me for guidance. Yeah, all of these people that I've been coaching for free for all of these years, I'll be able to start engaging them, and then you quickly realize that doesn't happen. This massive network, all of these friends, everybody that you've worked with over the years, they're going to cheer for you, they're going to clap for you, go follow your dreams. But they're not going to do business with you. It's almost like they're in this wait and see game. People are going to cheer for you. They want you to succeed, but only up to the level of success that they have. And it's those real ones that I was talking about that are going to cheer for you no matter what. And the thing that's so interesting about it is it's not who you'd expect. There are a few key individuals that I've started working with a little bit more over the past year. It was very unexpected to see how much they have supported me, how much they have supported our team. Because they saw something in us. They saw what we were doing. They saw the passion. They saw the purpose and the drive. and they respected it. And they wanted to see, how can I support them? And it starts off small. But the more opportunities you have to execute, and the more times you execute at a higher and higher level, the more people start to take notice. And it's like this flywheel effect. You have to front load all of this energy on the front end, and it will crush you. Absolutely destroy you if you let it. And that is why, if you're going to go out and do your thing, that it needs to be something that you are passionate about, that it is your purpose, and that you know this is how you are going to put your dent in the universe. Because that's what it takes. As you're trying to endure this adversity, you have to be on your mission. And when you are, the right people will come into your life. And there will be moments when you start to see the tide turn. And you recognize you're doing the right thing. And when you start to see that, do not give up. It's still going to be difficult, but keep doing that thing. Those that are able to separate themselves, the upper echelons, the people that accomplish great things, they learn to embrace the challenge. And they just consistently execute over and over and over. And when you do that on a long enough time horizon, you are going to win.